friends. This paper that you're going to work on is called the beginning sounds. So this is a robot. What's the beginning sound of robot? Robot. Would it be an R or would it be an H? Let's figure that out and then you can circle it. For robot, it would be an R. This is a gumball machine. Gumball. Wagon. W. Bird. B. Heart. Monster. Dog. D. Fish. F. Penguin. P. And this one, you're going to cut out the hearts at the bottom and you're going to make a pattern. So this one is a pink love you and a red rock you. Which one would be next? The pink love you. And keep going. Down here is the be mine and XOXO. What would be next? The green be mine. Finish this pattern. Here is one that says, I spy a syllable. So you would start with clapping. So you say and clap each word. For example, I spy a cup. I spy a cup. So you're clapping one time for the cup and one time for the cake. So you're going to do the cake. I spy a cake. I spy cup. Cake. One syllable in that. Ask your child to point to the word and then clap the syllable. Continue until you get all the objects. Here's some rhyming hearts. So you can cut these out and then make a puzzle match. So here we have duck, truck, tie, fly. Even though they're not spelled the same, they sound the same. Tie, fly, hen, 10, bug, mug, cat, hat, bear, pear, house, mouse, bee, tree, goat, boat, fox, box. Some of them do spell the same and some of them do not. But have lots of fun with all these activities. Bye, friends.